Welcome back now. You've been missed.
Vegan dog there.
Give me coat, bitch.
Oh.
Go sit down, woman. Sit down, be quiet, hear yourself. She's not too many.
Very brave, Ryan. Ryan, tell them he's very brave. John, close your eyes. You're not going to stop him.
Don't ask me. A mountain of questions.
Oh, yes, ça va mon petit chien.
When there's only no answer
Ça va, ça
to
va.
them all.
So good job. He's half deaf, my dog.
If you love me, really love me,
Wow.
as I love
Whoa. Woof, woof.
you, it's the answer
Wow.
to everything. If you do,
It's the answer to everything.
don't act like you misunderstand me. When there's simply no mystery to it all. If you love me, really love me, as I love you, that's the answer
That's the answer.
to everything. If you do, if there is someone else, some other place that holds your heart, tell me now, truthfully, before we start.
Haha, yeah.
Don't give me a million excuses when I am waiting
My
with
vegan
my
dog.
arms open wide. If you love me,